Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Jerry, and this is his 39 Ford two-door. Is it a two-door coupe?
It's a sedan.
Sedan?
Yes.
And is it considered a slant back?
No.
Okay.
They don't think they called them that by this time in Ford's history.
Okay.
It's just a 39 Ford Deluxe model.
Deluxe? Okay.
And you would ask, it's painted Washington blue.
Yes. I've always loved these headlights. I think it's one of the most attractive headlights Ford ever had.
It's one of the better designs, I believe, that Ford made when he was designing, or whoever was designing for them.
Yeah. And
that's why I like it.
And before I turned on the camera, you said you bought it in 05.
I bought it in 05. It was a bunch of parts and pieces. The body was basically there, but needed a lot of work.
And did you do the work yourself, or did you have it done?
I took it to a guy out in Washington that did the body work, and I did a lot of the mechanic work underneath. Built the frame and everything.
Okay.
Was built in my house.
And you got it lowered. It looks awesome. And what motor do you have in it?
It's got a 327 Chevy engine.
Okay. And I see you have the handle. You don't have the handles any longer. So do you have a popper?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the famous tail lights.
Yes.
And it has a split window in the back. That's really nice. Boy, that paint is just remarkable. When did you have it painted?
Back about 2006 or 7, somewhere in there.
Wow.
When they finished getting the body all put together and straightened out.
Wow, it is. I don't see any scratches, dents, nicks. It is really, really nice. Can we look at the engine, Jerry? Do you mind showing us? I've always liked the way the 39 and 40 opened. Did the 41 have a similar hood?
I believe their hood was a little different because they had different ways of holding it down.
Okay.
Hooked underneath a bar here instead of underneath those.
Very, very nice. Well, I had mentioned that I would be as quick as possible, so I'll wrap things up unless there's anything I left out. I know that you said you didn't want to do a lot of talking.
That's all right. I think you've got most of the important parts.
Okay. Well, thank you so very much.
All right.